This is a hotel in the Arctic Circle in Northern Finland.
And yes, it is made out of snow and ice.
My legs are melting the table. Really ice, I mean nice.
Where are you?
I'm here, can you see me? I'm here. Allie and I will be spending the full day and night here and giving you our honest experience of what it's like to stay in the coldest hotel on the planet. So let's go check it out.
And this one's the ticket, we put it on the bracelet.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we've got the keys.
So we just found our room here, which is called the Guardian's Room. Let's go see why. Okay, look at that.
I guess no door.
It's no door, just a curtain.
Oh my gosh.
This is cool.
Look at this.
So there's two ice sculptures in here that kind of look like, I don't know, something like Egyptian style. We're not allowed to touch anything because it's all made of snow and ice, this whole complex. So there's certain buildings here that are made of like wood and steel, but this whole area is snow and ice, which is honestly really impressive. And I'm super impressed by the detail here in this room. Check out the bed. Okay, look.
What?
So you have like a bed frame, like a regular sort of like steel frame, mattress, comforter, but look how thin.
Oh my.
Look how thin this blanket is.
We're gonna freeze.
Yeah, because this kind of area is open to the public during the day hours, we're actually not gonna kind of chill here. We're gonna go chill at some other cold parts of the complex as well and check out some of the other rooms which we're allowed to do so. Let's go. Let's go check out our neighbor's room in 108. Ooh. Ooh, I like this one. Dang, look at this. It's like a whole ice art museum.
It's like a family room. There's a whole playground.
Yeah, you got Legos over here, little house.
All right, let's see this one. Oh, it's huge too. And it has a couch. Man, this is like triple New York's apartments. That's cool.
In case you want to have a destination wedding in the Arctic Circle, they've got a chapel here for you. And yes, they actually have weddings here. How cold, or I should say how cool is that?
Oh my gosh, they have reindeer. Look. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I've never seen a reindeer before. Okay, we actually get to feed them. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, they're so gentle.
And to warm up a little bit, Allie and I are heading off to the hotel sauna. And of course, this isn't your regular sauna, as apparently it's made completely out of snow. So we're gonna see how warm we're gonna get.
And if it's gonna melt on us.
Exactly, but let's find out. All right, so there we are, number 3. Dang, let's check it out. Oh, it's like a cave.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, really tight.
Cold. We have to.
Yeah, okay, so it's not hot right now, but they told us we need to put some water
In here.
onto this thing, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh my
gosh. I can't see it.
I can't see, yeah,
Oh.
I can't see anything. Allie, I'm here.
Where are you?
I'm here, can you see me? I'm here.
We can hear the snow melting. So yeah, I think our time here is limited.
All right, so you only have like 10 minutes in the snow sauna, and it takes a while to kind of heat up.
Yeah, like
which obviously kind of makes sense.
Your face gets hot, but your toes are still cold.
So we decided to leave, and thankfully they had a jacuzzi, which is the best. It's perfect because it's private, and you have this beautiful view of kind of the forest around you. Super serene, and honestly, this is way above expectations.
Yeah, the entire hotel is like so much better than we could imagine. We just thought it was gonna be almost like a little cave snow thing put together.
Yeah.
But so far, very, very.
Honestly, yeah, 10 out of 10, and we're still not done. So we're just gonna relax and de-thaw a little bit to go back in the cold. Now it's slightly less cold out, but still is cold.
Slightly.
And believe it or not only do they have rooms made of snow, saunas made of snow, but also they have a hill made of snow that we're going up now because they have some sleds that you can take if you're staying here and go kind of sledding down onto the ice lake below. So should be fun.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
3. Look out!
Okay, those tubes are so much fun, and now we're trying out this. What is this? These like chair skis on the frozen lake. Hello.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes.
Is it summer hopper?
To be able to get the bread, took my glove off, but the other one needs to stay on because it's so cold. It's really good.
Hi, the elk.
Yes.
Great.
And chicken for
Thank you. How do you feel about the portion sizes?
Yeah, for 80 euro, on the lower end.
Just got dessert and it looks so beautiful. It was served in this snowflake shape ice cube. Look at that.
And obviously, as you're sitting here for a while, your toes really start getting cold. And I put a napkin here on my lap because the table's actually, like my legs are melting the table, so it's kind of falling on my legs. So, I mean, it's really cool to kind of be in here, but
I would
Yeah.
skip it.
yeah.
I would skip it.
But yeah, just kind of our opinion.
Okay.
ready?
Yeah. Cheers. That's good.
Wow. Okay, so the tradition here is once you finish your ice glass shot, you throw it against the wall. So let's go.
I did it! Oh, look at this. It's all here.
Okay, and now we're here with Emma.
Hello.
Who is very graciously going to show us kind of how to survive here in one of these kind of snow rooms.
Basically, what you will need: shoes, jacket, and only thin base layer of clothing. Not many layers, not anything too thick, because with sleeping bags, less is more. And of course you need the sleeping bag, then this black thing over here. So we put it inside. And you take your shoes off, put it next to your bed, also your jacket off. Then you jump inside, feet first, of course. And then we close this. And we close it all the way up, so that this small circle will be a face.
Like a little worm.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's go.
So many zippers.
And the final product. Are you cozy in there?
Oh yeah.
Does it feel good though? Or does it feel weird?
It's warm, so that's good. But it's gonna be a long night.
Nice and warm and toasty in here. But hopefully you didn't drink a lot of liquids because the bathroom's like 100 meters away. Good night. Wish us luck.
It's 6:45 a.m. Oh my gosh. I have not been able to fall asleep. This is so tough. I'm so tired. But thankfully Sumner seems to be asleep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I've got some hot berry juice for you guys to wake you up.
Thank you so much.
Here you. Thank you very
Thank
much. Please
you.
enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you. And here's this guy.
Good morning. You know those bears
they'll like, get out of hibernation, and that's what I feel like. Really slept well.
You know those bears that never went to hibernation? That's this bear.
The one bigger negative, actually, I didn't film it just because I didn't want to wake anybody else up. But there's another sleeping bag over here because it not ripped, but I guess I don't even really know why, because I was like half asleep, but the zipper like didn't work, so I had to go up and get a new one. So there's that. But other than that, yeah, slept great. And the sleeping bag covers everything except your head. I don't know if it was the same for you, Liam, but it got like you could feel like cold air on your head. So I had to like, I don't know, like
Dive.
just go inside the sleeping bag fully.
For me, it was more like the constraint. I could not move much in here, and I guess I move a lot at night. So I don't know, like my back, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. Right? What about you?
No, it was good, but yeah, I prefer a regular bed instead of an ice bed. We have official diplomas that we're just given here at reception, saying that we survived. Ellie, where's yours? Sorry, I have both. So there you go, survivors. All things said and done, full day and night, mixed feelings. So
Yes.
the day was amazing, like you already kind of saw and we talked about, but the night, I think, is really not worth it. So our recommendation, being honest.
Yeah, it's true.
right?
Like, because it's an expensive stay.
Yeah, that's the point. I forgot.
Yeah.
We'll put the price here.
It's an expensive stay.
Yes, per
and
night.
it's not comfortable.
No.
So you might as well go get the day pass. They have lots of activities that we didn't even have time to do. Yes.
Going and visiting the ice rooms without having to stay, and the sauna and jacuzzi and all that would be cheaper than one night.
Yes.
And then you can go to your hotel or Airbnb and have a more comfortable night. So
Yes.
I know that the Arctic Hotel is going to be watching this. We're keeping it
guys were
100%. You guys were great. All the staff was amazing.
Yeah.
Dinner, but breakfast was solid. Really good job on breakfast. But we had a great time, and definitely don't regret staying and trying the night at the hotel. So hope you enjoyed this adventure, because we loved having you along with us. We've got a lot more here in Lapland, chasing the
Yes.
Northern Lights. I'm here at
Santa.
Meeting Santa. We actually just finished Meeting Santa in Santa Claus Village.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. So if you want to see that adventure, we'll be linking it in our full kind of Lapland playlist in the description section below. So as always, thanks so much for watching. God bless you and your travels, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then,
Bye.